Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create job alerts in Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have already installed the Indeed app. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create job alerts, you need to search for your preferred jobs. So here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Let's say I'm looking for a job for a teacher. I will choose the city of Madrid. You can search for your preferred job titles and your preferred city. You just need to type in the name of the jobs over here. And once you search for these jobs, you will see the list of jobs over here. Now in order to activate the job alerts, scroll down to the bottom. And here you can see the option, I want to receive the latest job alert for teacher in Madrid. And there is the email address field right below it. Here you can enter your email address, and after that tap on this activate button and you will be activating the job alert notification. So you will receive the notifications of new job alerts right in your inbox of your provided email address. And if you want to make changes to your job alert settings, here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Next up, tap on this 3-line icon at the top right corner. Now go to the settings. Now from here, select the communication settings option. Now choose email, and here you can see job and company alerts. So if you have activated any job alerts, you will see them over here, and you can make the necessary changes over here. You can deactivate certain job alerts if you want to and make your changes. So that's it. That's how you can get job alerts in Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.